Proactive drone detection and threat mitigation are essential components of low-altitude airspace security. The PL2 handheld drone locator provides drone detection and positioning capabilities. Its compact design is comparable in size to a modern smartphone.
Weighing just 580 grams with an exceptionally slim perform, it issues easy portability and instant readiness. Power on and deploy immediately. The core capabilities listed as below. Integrated capabilities, unifies passive detection, protocol analysis and remote ID monitoring on a single platform. Drone positioning, tracks the drone and the controller's location concurrently. Networked architecture enables multi-device mesh networking and centralized management via a unified platform for coordinated response. FPV decoding, reading time decoding of FPV video streams from supported racing drones.
In urban environments, it achieves a detection range of 1 to 3 kilometers. Capable of detecting over 800 drone models, including mainstream brands such as DJI and Autel, with comprehensive signature coverage, as well as homemade, FPV, and Wi-Fi drones. When a drone enters the monitored area, the system immediately initiates simultaneous real-time tracking of both the drone and its pilot, with meter-level positioning accuracy for both. To meet operational requirements, the system's one-touch tactical navigation feature delivers real-time directional guidance, enabling field personnel to rapidly locate drones or rogue drone operators. When an FPV drone penetrates the monitored airspace, the PlayStation system reconstructs its live flight footage in real time, generating court-admissible evidence for low-altitude violation incidents. Integrates with third-party counter-UAS systems to establish a seamless detection to neutralization workflow, ensuring comprehensive low-altitude airspace security. The PL2 neutralizes drone threats during critical operations, including security patrols, VIP protection, critical infrastructure defense, and mass public events, ensuring airspace integrity in high-stakes scenarios.